Hey guys, how you doing? Just another super quick video about paying milestones. So this one's only got 2 milestones here. It's just a bit of extra work on somebody else's app, but the first one was funded already. So now we're moving on to milestone 2. So I just want to show you how that works. We just click activate next milestone. Milestone 2, you can put a description in here, but I always just put milestone whatever it is, milestone 2. Fund and activate this milestone, you want to make sure that's checked. Don't really need the due date, and just click activate and fund milestone. So what that's going to do is release that last one that's in escrow and fund the next one. So that last one was paid, this one was held in escrow, and this one is now funded, ready to be paid. So they'll carry on working on that next milestone. Okay, thanks guys, just wanted to show you how that's working. Okay, bye for now.